Looking for an easy and different dinner idea with chicken? Try my easy to make, satisfying Turkish menu. With the spicy fried chicken thighs with Turkish yogurt marinade sauce, a traditional fresh fruit compote from Ottoman cuisine, and a hearty, healthy vegetarian side dish with green lentils and bulgur wheat. This is Ayşenur Altan and you are on Turkish Food Travel. Let's begin. I have 4 quince, half a lemon, a heaped tablespoon dried hibiscus flower, half cup dried raisins and currants, and 1 cup of sugar. I'm using quince for this recipe, but you can also make it with apples. After peeling, you cut into half. Take out the seeds, we're gonna use it. And then take out the core and the hard parts on the 2 sides and cut it into small cubes. And right away I put them into water that I drizzled some lemon juice to prevent them getting darker from the air. After cutting all of it, I place them into my pan, adding 1.5 liters of water, the seeds from the quince, and going to cook them first. Since the quince is a hard fruit, either if I make compote or jam, I cook first until it is soft and then add the sugar. After about 10-15 minutes, it was soft enough. I added the hibiscus. It is just to give some flavor and mostly color. Add the raisins and currants and sugar. You can add less sugar if you like, or exchange it with honey. If you use honey, I would suggest you to add after the compote is cooled down a bit. I simmered for 5-10 more minutes and it's ready. I wanted to showcase my compote in this beautiful crystal bowl I had, but look what happened. Çatladı gidiyor. Şerbet gidiyor. My bowl cracked, probably from the heat, but it was interesting that it happened after about 6-7 seconds. And it was cracked like this. So unfortunately I had to use another good old glass bowl that I had. After it is completely chilled, we'll be ready to serve. I'm gonna prepare my marinade for the chicken. Here I have 2 cloves of garlic from the freezer, teaspoon each pepper flakes, oregano, and half teaspoon black pepper, cumin, and paprika. Going to puree my garlic, adding the spices over tablespoon each, yogurt and tomato paste. I added extra tablespoon of yogurt. It is plain unflavored whole milk yogurt, and about 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Just add the chicken pieces, rub everything well, cover and let it sit in the fridge at least 3-4 hours would be better. Add a teaspoon of salt in the last minute. If you don't have time, you can also marinate at room temperature for half an hour. While it's resting, I want to show you one of my favorite side dish, bulgur rice with green lentils. In a big white pan, I'm heating about 5 tablespoons mix of vegetable and olive oil. I'm gonna cut 1 big onion and going to saute for about 4 or 5 minutes. Here I have 1.5 cups of bulgur wheat. It is much more healthier than rice. We use it a lot in Turkish cuisine. And here is my cooked green lentils. I used 1 cup. Just wash it thoroughly and add 2 cups of water and cook until it is almost soft, thinking that it's gonna continue to cook with the bulgur. You can also omit the green lentils and make simple bulgur with tomato paste, adding 1 teaspoon salt and about 1 heaped tablespoon tomato paste. Since the bulgur we use already processed and washed, I didn't wash it and add it to sauteed mixture and continue to saute for about 3-4 minutes, adding 1 teaspoon each black pepper, hot paprika, a bit more salt, and pour 3 cups of hot water over 1.5 cups of bulgur wheat. Now we can add the green lentils. I didn't have any water left, so I just didn't drain. And let it cook, simmering on low until it is soaked all the water and soft. Turn off the heat, let it rest for 10 minutes and then gently stir. Here my daughter was stirring. She's very gentle. And we are going to extra flavor it before serving by sauteing onions in olive oil again. My onions were small. You could even double the amount, use 2 big onions. It will give extra flavor, and also use more olive oil than me. The result will be even more delicious that way. Adding 2 teaspoon pul biber, red pepper flakes. Saute a bit more, about 20 seconds, and it's ready. Pour the mixture over the mücevhere and gently mix everything, and it's ready to serve. Back to my chicken, it is marinated. I heat up my non-stick pan well, added some vegetable oil and going to fry the skin side down first. I cook the chicken on medium high so they don't release their water, and cook the first side fully and then turn it over and cook the other side. So my menu is completed. We had some çiğ köfte, so I served it as well along with compote. I have the recipe on the channel as well, check the links. I hope you give this a try, my friends, and let me know how it turned out. I have many other episodes and menu ideas you can check from the links. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Afiyet olsun.